Okay, we're going to make some butter this morning and let's see how it goes. I've got some heavy cream here and I just wanted to make a little batch to see if it would work here in the Toastmaster. I bought this little mixer blender here for $5. See, there's this name right there, Toastmaster. Let me scoot it back here. I bought it for $5 at Christmas time. So let's see what happens. Okay, getting ready to pour it in, just like this. Hey, how about that? It didn't quite go all the way to the fill line. That's great. So let's put this on and let's see what's going to happen here. This might take a minute or two, so I'll bring you back and I'll let you know how long it took me. Okay, right now it is in the whipped cream stage, so I'll bring you back. Okay, sadly to say, the little Toastmaster just couldn't do it. It just wasn't quite powerful enough. So I got out the magic bullet. It's a small one that Ray got me for Christmas. So let's see how it's gonna go. Sounds much better. The other one was really laboring. So I'll bring you back and we'll see how it's going to work. Now it's almost there. We got a little while longer. It's taking longer than what I thought, but I'll tell you everything in minutes when I'm done. Okay, can you hear it? Getting closer to butter. Okay, here it is right here. I've got to pour the buttermilk off. That's already started. Let me see here. And then we're going to put it back in. See the buttermilk that's coming out? It's not going to get a whole lot in it. But it's got some, and that's got to be poured off. Just like that. Set that aside and we're going to start it in again and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm going to open it back up for my third pour off and I believe it's just about done, if not. Let's see what we got here. Open the cover. Oh yeah. There you go, and there's butter right there. There it is. So I'm gonna scoop it out now and I'm putting it in cold water. Okay, I'm back. I've got it in some cold water and now we wanna wash the buttermilk out of it. Don't want any buttermilk into it at all. And once we wash the buttermilk out of it, we are going to put some salt on it. And that'll be nice and yummy. And then I'm gonna put it in the jar and put it in the refrigerator. And the buttermilk we can use for different things, from cooking or whatever we choose to use. Get all the buttermilk out of here now. Just like this. There we go. You know what? I don't think this is done. I know it's not. Okay, I just put it through one more time for the buttermilk. See what's gonna come out. There's nothing dripping. We're going to put it back into the cold, icy water. Just like that. That water's cold. This is how much buttermilk I got, and you can use it for cooking, drinking, and all sorts of stuff. But I'll put in the description box below, I'll put some other things you can do with it. You can put it in your pancakes. You can put it in all sorts of stuff. So here we go. Gonna wash that all out, make sure there's no buttermilk in there. Left it all. And then you want to drain the water. My hands are gonna turn red. Ooh, cold. I feel like I'm playing out in this cold snow. Butter seems to be still a little soft. Usually it's a little harder than this, but I don't know what that is, but we're going to take it out because I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah, let me drain this water out. Just like this. Hope everybody's having a fine day. Wipe my hands here. And I'm gonna put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt in it. Not a lot, just a little dab of ya. Put it around my bowl so when I mix it in. Then I'm gonna put it in a little mason jar and put it in the refrigerator. There. I have seen this though a lot harder. This is one of the softer butters I've ever made. Don't know why. There's absolutely no buttermilk left in it. And I've churned and churned. Now the Magic Bullet did much better job than the Toastmaster. So I won't be doing it again in the Toastmaster. Actually, I've never used the Magic Bullet. I've always used my NutriBullet, my big one. But it broke, so Ray bought me this Magic Bullet for Christmas. So that's all I have. So now we're going to put it in the jar. Just like this. Like I said, this is softer than normal. So, but it will harden up once it goes in the refrigerator. There is no water in it, so no buttermilk, so that is good. Just like that. Guess I could have used a smaller mason jar. So I'll bring you back and show you the final product. Okay, folks, here you go. I ended up putting it in an 8-ounce jar or smaller jar, and there's the butter. Ta-da! It's not going anywhere. All the buttermilk's out. It's been salted. It's all ready for good eats now. So I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And one more thing. Some people use a yellow coloring in the butter. I don't. And it all depends where you get your cream from as well. This here was store-bought cream, and it's a heavy whipping cream, but I think it all depends where you get your cream from is how well your butter is going to come out and taste. So have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.